Here's one of our best-selling models, 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This would be a true SS. It is a 138 VIN car. It's going to designate SS in 1968. Now, under the hood, a little modified there from the way it would have came from Chevrolet. We have a 535 horsepower 496 stroker. That is paired up with a Tremec 5-speed. So this one sounds good. It's got some horsepower backing it up, and yet still has a beautiful look to it. Paint on this is it's a General Motors color, actually early 2000s I believe is when it was released. It's a red tint coat metallic. Looks very nice on this car, and as you can see, the bright work in chrome also looks good. The SS396 grill in it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, check out the interior, trunk, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Any of the nice Chevelles don't seem to last too long around here. Also has some nice equipment, power steering, 4-wheel disc, power brakes. So you got some stopping power for that horsepower you're putting down. 1.5-inch sway bars. This one also has the factory barrel tack, and it does work. You don't see that in these all the time. That was an SS option. Now, this car did originally have black vinyl interior, so that is still set up the same. And it was a red car. It was Matador Red R paint code, so still similar to the color it would have came from General Motors back in the day, but now it is a later model red tint coat metallic. It looks good. Now remember, living anywhere in the continental United States, we can help you out with the shipping. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust, and again, you'll be able to check out the exhaust and the underside pictures on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. See, it's riding on the rally style wheels. VF Goodrich radial tires. The car appears to be pretty straight too. Looking up and down the side of it, you don't see a lot of dings, nicks, scratches. Nice reflection. Our showroom in the background. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. By the way, I didn't mention the previous owner of this car had it for 25 years plus, actually. Hey, the warning chime still works. That's one that brings back memories when they still work. Carpeting, vinyl seats, headliner, all in nice shape on this one too. Front and rear. Let's go ahead and start this up so we don't have to listen to that anymore. Alright. See how easily it starts. Here's that barrel tack I'm talking about. Does work. Notice the clock was not working at first. The other gauges did though. I'll show you the best way to see it. There you go. AM Delco radio. Like I said, Tremec 5-speed. Just make sure we're in neutral. Other than the dash, looks very stock. Warm up a little bit. A little low the idle out of that big block. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to pop that hood quick. Let you get a peek at the engine bay. Let's check it out underneath the hood. Alright, got the hood popped. Insulation's there. Finished off nicely also. Hedman headers. And again, power steering, power brakes. Disc at all four corners. Auto Brock intake. The HEI ignition back there. 496 stroker. sounding good. Like I said, nice little Dolby idle out of that. 535 horse. Looking for a Chevelle? Here it is, 1968. Chevrolet Chevelle SS 138 VIN car. Red tint coat metallic. GM paint looking good. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com down below this video. In the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, if you're in the continental United States, we can assist with getting this car to where you're at. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.